Yo, what's good everybody, so it's Cage Reaper here. So, I actually had this package come in, I don't even remember what fucking day it was, but, let's see, when did I order it? Alright, so I ordered this, Monday, May 26, 2025, alright, so this is how long I've had this package for. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this over here, and go ahead and pull out the packaging here. Alright, so here we are. So, I could not for the life of me find my Temple RDA, alright? I really like that RDA, and I can't find it. I don't know where the fuck it went. It is what it is. I tried finding a replacement. I found one, but they never sent it. So, I'm in the process of trying to get my money back, but I doubt that'll ever happen. Anywho, so, I did find this. It's from Vaperz Cloud. It's the Asgard, alright? We'll go ahead and open this up. Go ahead, pull it out. Okay. And here it is. Alright. So the reason why I wanted this RDA is because, I don't know where you're going to be able to see this, but see that? It is squonkable, which means I can run it on this, and that is the reason why I got it. Alright, so we'll go ahead and show you what else it comes with. It comes with the bag. That's literally it. It is fucking crazy. So here is all this stuff. Okay, so it looks like it comes with two different types of squonk pins. So you get a, copper one, and then you get, whatever, let's see, a gold-plated one. I'm just gonna leave it gold because, why the fuck not? And then you also get a different type of grip tip too, so that's nice. I'm trying to see, because, oh yeah, here it is. So, when you actually get the RDA, which you can't buy it anymore, that was the other one I could find, but when you get the RDA, it's actually going to end up having a little screw piece in here to block that hole up. So it doesn't, well, I guess it does come with its own dedicated squonk pin. I didn't see that when I opened it up, so I just went ahead and took the little plug screw out of there, so yeah. And to go ahead and show you, you do get this little beauty ring, but I do want to go ahead and show you this one thing, alright? So we're going to go ahead, because I need this anyways, we can go ahead and take this off. Give this guy a little bit of a break, because I've been vaping on it since I got it. Obviously I changed to cotton, but yeah, alright, so. I don't know what the fuck that is. My guesses are this is probably some old stock. But what I'm going to go ahead and show you is, so this is the Vaperz Cloud. Wait, let me do it. Yeah, Vaperz Cloud. I think this is the Republic Squonk mod. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on here like that. Make sure it's screwed all the way down. Alright. And there you go. It fits a 30mm with no issues. And because I do have some semi-fancy wire, I'm going to go ahead and use that. Alright. But I want to go ahead and show you guys the build deck real quick before I get all the stuff that I need to go ahead and build, because it's going to be quite a bit. Alright. So, there it is. Alright, you see that? Yep. It is postless, and you know, I don't mind that. I've actually gotten really used to postless decks. One thing I will say is it does not come with coils, which I wasn't expecting it to. But let me go ahead and get all the stuff that I need. I'll be right back. See you later. Okay, I am back. So, obviously need cotton. From the cotton needs scissors, alright. I don't know where the fuck my coil master tweezers went, so, fuck it, I guess. I, do have these, Fetus? Not fetus. Feta. I really don't know what the fuck they're called, to be honest. Ceramic. I need to get this room in order, guys. I really do. Because I have a lot more stuff that I need to unbox, and one of them that I'm actually going to be able to fucking use in here. So yeah, I do need to keep that on a kind of like tight wrap. So yeah, with that being said, let me go ahead and figure out what wire I want to use. Alright, so got stainless steel here. I could probably use that. And then, let's see, what is this? Any size difference? I'm gonna save this right here. And the reason why I'm trying to debate if I want to use the stainless steel or not. Fuck it, why not? Let's go ahead and do it, because I haven't built with stainless steel yet. Alright, let's see, there we go. Alright. There we are. Let's go ahead and speed this up. So here they are. Not the prettiest. Let me go ahead and see if I can't straighten this one out just a little bit. There we go. Make sure they're tight. Alright. So now that's all that's left to do is to go ahead and trim them up and get them installed. So I'm going to come back up real quick in real time to go ahead and show you guys what's going on. So, I don't know if you can see this, but they did change colors. Thing with stainless steel is you put a voltage to it and it changes colors. I'm going to tell you right now, the color that it was before when I started glowing them, it was beautiful. There was like purples and some blues and whatnot. It was just fucking amazing. I wish I would have gotten a photo of it. However, I don't want to take too long on doing this because I've already been at it for how long now, so yeah. But just to show you where we're at. Let's see. Yep. And I still gotta work at it a little bit, but it's heating up mostly from the center out. So again, go ahead and put this on here. Alright. Heat up nice. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let this cool down, and then I'll come back and wick it. Alright, so I gotta grab the bottle of juice from back there because this bottle is actually a little bit empty right now. So, yeah, give me 1 second. Alright, so it turns out I'm actually out of the juice that was in here, so I'm gonna have to either use Killer Custard Strawberry or Suicide Bunny Sucker Punch. And you know what the fuck I'm going for? Suicide Bunny. Because this is actually in another setup that I think I recently did. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. But, let's go ahead. Put some on the cotton up here. Get it nice and saturated. Damn, I forgot how good this juice smells. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is open this up. Okay. I tilt this to the side, a little bit to the side. She's filling up. Now you guys see why I speed these portions up. Alright. Load cap back on. Alright. Let's see. Put this back on. Let's see, what are we at? 100 watts? Not bad. Let's try 120. It's much better. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this put back on, okay. I want to see something real quick. Let me put the beauty ring on, because I think the beauty ring honestly makes it look a lot better. And that's just me, alright? I like my beauty rings, okay? And I think this would look really good, this black, with one of my other mods. Or other mod like this, because actually I have two more. I have I think a red one and then a purple one. So this black would probably look really good with that. There you see. Yeah. It's fucking, this RDA vape's nice for being a fucking 30. Holy shit. I might have to find one of my other 30, well maybe not the Temple, because the Temple is kind of fucking ridiculous. But maybe like one of my normal 30s, like the Twisted Message compared to this. This is a lot easier to build on, honestly. I mean, you've seen how quickly I was able to install those coils. But again, we're at 120 watts at 0.12. This is regulated, so we're good there. What is the voltage? You're not gonna believe this. 120 watts at 3.6 volts. That's crazy. That's fucking ridiculous. Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace.